Today is not the day I'm going to shave. This is the day before, the night before, but I'm doing laundry. So come with me. Let's pick up laundry.
This cut is fresh.
Good morning. Today is Saturday. We're going to do a quick shave. I hope I already amused you with my laundry. I have good news. I got a new phone, thankfully. 64 gigabytes, so no more iPhone storage full. Again, hopefully. And I'm going to up the quality of the video. I'm gonna bring it up to 1080p. I don't think you want to see my ugly face in 4K, so 1080p with 60 frames per second I think is clear enough for our videos. And I'm going to be showing a little bit more about my life, where I work, my environment around, and today going home, so I'm going to be showing some about Panama City. I'm using this Astro Blade for the 4th time. Let's see how it goes. I'm using the Black Beauty in setting 5. I have 1.5 days of hair growth, and I'm trying to go over this soap with the guys at the Italian barber sent me. This is an unnamed soap. Has a nice clean smell to it. So I'm going to also be using my Ever Ready Restore dual band badger brush. So let me get prepped. I've been using this pre-shave oil that I made myself using castor oil, olive oil, and some essential oils as well, and it works great. Well, it's of course super cheap because a big bottle of castor oil is only, I don't know, $3-4, and a huge bottle of olive oil is also cheap. The only thing expensive are the essential oil, but you only use like 3 drops, so it'll last long. So how's your week going? Hope you're having a great week. tried it. They have a lot of backbone. Almost like a board brush. See, I don't need to do this to grab the brush and give it some more stiffness. That's more than enough. And this was not too deep. These mag eraser nuts are great. Okay, let's start. Hope it doesn't pull. If it pulls, I'll be aborting the mission. Oh, it's not pulling. It's cutting. Four uses to the Astro blades. You think I should squeeze more uses? Let me know in the comments.
Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh honey, though our friendship ceases from now on. Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh honey, though our friendship ceases from now on.
Oh, by the way, I did my second, well, it was my first 48-hour fast. Yesterday, it ended yesterday night. I ate on Wednesday and I had some wine with my daughter, which was nice, but not very healthy. Well, anyway, it was good. Don't complain. So I also ate some bread, so I was a bad boy. Well, so I ate some bread and had some wine with bread and bacon. On Wednesday night, about 7, 8, and then I ate again last night, Friday. So it was a 48-hour fast. Felt great, great. I plan to do my first 72-hour fast soon.
This cut is fresh.
Great. So why fasting for so long, you might ask? Well, you have a lot of advantages, a lot of benefits for your health. Starting with it depletes your glucose storage, and since I ate some carbohydrates, some refined carbohydrates, which are really bad for your health, and it has some wine, alcohol. In the first 12 hours of my fast, it depletes the glucose storage, so the body stops using sugar or glucose for fuel. And it starts using fat. But since I'm not eating, it's not using the fat that I ate, but the fat that I have in my body. Even though when I reach my ideal weight, my waist, I'll still have a lot of fat, and even skinny guys have a lot of fat storage. They keep eating sugar and glucose. The body never goes to those stores to looking for energy. Great shave, no nicks, no cuts, very, very close. Love it. Okay, with hazel. So this new diet or way of life is really making good changes in my life. I feel much better, more energized. It's a great thing to do. Thank you to I am CDB for guiding me, or for at least letting me know that this existed. It was really a game changer. All right, so I'm gonna go to work. Yeah, I work some Saturdays. So I'm going to be using this little tiny guy, 4711, that I got in a local pharmacy. So sample. I got some, almost half of it. Oh. That's a good burn. Not so bad though. The smell's great. Smells like close to an allspice smell. I gotta ask how much this is in full size. Okay, gents, I'm going to show you afterwards a little bit of the place that I work. And I hope you enjoyed. I hope you have a great weekend, and see you again in my next shave next week. Bye.
It's better not to talk at all, is my advice.